In this video, I'm going to help you tackle the E2 error on your HP DeskJet printer. Whether you own a model from the DeskJet 3700, 2600 series, or anything in between, we've got the right fix for you. This error, often related to paper size mismatches, can be a hassle. But don't worry, we'll walk through several solutions that should get you printing again in no time. First, make sure the paper loaded in the tray matches the paper size setting in your print dialog or printer settings. If there's a mismatch, adjust either the paper in the tray or the settings to ensure consistency. Next, check to see if the paper guides in the tray are snug against the edges of the paper. Misaligned guides can cause the printer to pick up the paper incorrectly. Ensure you are using the correct type of paper for your printer. Specialty papers often require specific settings and can confuse the printer's sensors. Try resetting the printer, as this can clear any temporary errors. Turn off the printer, unplug it for a minute, plug it back in, and restart. Examine the paper path for any obstructions or debris that might cause the paper size error. Clearing these can often solve the problem. Update the printer's drivers, as outdated software can cause unexpected issues with paper handling. Check HP's support website for the latest versions. Finally, if the issue persists, review the printer's firmware for updates. Firmware updates can fix bugs related to paper size recognition. If none of these solutions resolve the E2 error on your HP DeskJet, it could be an issue with the paper sensor or other hardware components. You might want to consider checking the user manual for further troubleshooting or look into replacement options. Be sure to check out our next video for tips on maintaining your printer and prolonging its life. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful content.